Bitcoin has broken a key level of support which it was holding since March 2020. What exactly is that level and what it means for the Bitcoin price? This and much more in today's video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. And if you want to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below, and this is completely free of cost. Now let's jump onto the Bitcoin charts. So currently, as I'm recording this video, Bitcoin is near 31,750. But there is one critical level of support which Bitcoin has broken for the first time since March 2020. What is that key level of support? That is the 50-week simple moving average. So the 50-week simple moving average is currently at about 31,875 as I'm recording this video, and Bitcoin in this week has broken below it. Currently it is at about 31,750. If we look left on the charts, we can see that during the crash that happened in March of 2020 because of the pandemic, we had broken below it and Bitcoin went all the way down to almost about $3,800. But what is the significance of this level? What is the next level of support that we can find if we have broken it? So if we get a weekly close below this, so the weekly close is still about 1 day and 6 hours from the time I'm recording this video. So a weekly close below it, which means a body of a candle, if it closes below this 50-week simple moving average, the next level of support for us will be the 100-week simple moving average, which is at about 20,228. Will we reach there at one go? Possibly not. Possibly we'll spend a few weeks, like how we spent almost 7 to 8 weeks after we went below the 20 week. So we went below the 20 week on the week of 10th of May and we held it till this week of about July 12th. So that's approximately a couple of months between the 20 week and the 50 week, and it is in this week that we have broken below the 50-week simple moving average, and I feel probably another 1 month or 1.5 months it can take us to reach the $20,000 levels. And I personally believe that $20,000 may or may not be the bottom. However, if history tells us that the 200 week is generally the bottom, how do we know that? We take a look left and we see that it is very rarely that we go below the 200 week simple moving average. Okay, and it is generally, you can consider it to be a bottom for the Bitcoin price. If you are able to invest in Bitcoin below the 200 week, that in the long term would be an amazing investment and can give you greater returns. Just think of this thing: if someone had invested in Bitcoin at about $4,000 or $5,000 back in March of 2020 and it went all the way to about $65,000, so that is 13x in about a year or so. So that is an amazing return for Bitcoin. So what do I feel? Personally, I'm looking at these levels for the weekly closure, and of course there's a big event that is scheduled for tomorrow. That is the Grayscale Bitcoin unlocking event, which I feel may take Bitcoin down to approximately $25,000 or below. Why do I say so? The data tells us. So we'll go to the daily chart for that. The last time there was an unlock of such magnitude, however, this is the largest unlock that is going to happen, but the last unlock that happened, Bitcoin corrected by 12%. If we assume that we correct by the same percentage, however, I feel we will correct about 15 or 20% perhaps. So even if we go by 12%, then we are looking at a price of approximately $28,000, and a 15% correction could take us all the way down to about 27,000. So that is where I believe we might land. However, sticking at those levels might be difficult. We might soon get a big pump from there and we might soon test the 50 week, which and in that case will act as a strong resistance. But the next 2 weeks, that is the 18th and the 19th of July, I am expecting these 2 days to be red days, and Bitcoin might very well test the $25,000 mark. So for our premium members who want to buy Bitcoin for the long term, they have their target set. If you want to become a premium member, you can reach out to me personally. My Telegram is given in the descriptions below. Now, on the weekly chart, there is a very critical level which the RSI is at currently. So the RSI is currently at about 40-41 as I'm recording this video. However, if we just draw a horizontal line at this level, so let me draw a horizontal line right here, and we can see that this is a very, very critical level of support for Bitcoin in the past as well. So the level from about 40 to about 44 or 45 is considered to be a very, very critical level, right? If we just bring it down to about this level, about 40, and there could be another horizontal line which we can draw at about 43 or 44. This level is very, very, very significant, right, in Bitcoin's history. If we are breaking below the 39 level, then the next level of support is down at about 33 or 35, which can again lead to the Bitcoin price to go to $20,000 or below. If you want to know the 3 reasons why Bitcoin can go below $20,000, we have made a video on it. You can click the icon above my head and you can watch that video. Also, what you can do is you can click the descriptions below and the link for that video would be given there as well. Now, on the daily chart, what we are seeing here currently is, if we just pull out the favorite retracement on the daily chart, what we can see is we are at a critical level of resistance currently on the daily time frame. 31,770 is the critical level of resistance. If we are able to break above it, then the next level of resistance would be at about 32,723. But given the circumstances that are coming up, I feel that we might soon test the $30,000 mark and then below the 28,750 mark as well. If we refer to the fear and greed index, the fear and greed index is currently at 15, which replicates deep fear in the market. And if you look at the chart, then the critical level of 20 is broken today, and the next target that we have is about 10. So 10 for the last 2 months have been a good level of support. And if we look at the maximum right here, and it would be only a handful number of times that the fear has gone below 10. So if it is going below 10, then that is an excellent opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but looking at what the charts are saying, I am personally looking to accumulate Bitcoin about $20,000 or 20. I'll start accumulating from about $25,000 for the long term. Obviously, for our premium members, they'll have their trade calls as well. But for the long term, if you want to accumulate Bitcoin, $25,000 and below should be our target, and I am looking to go as low as $14,000 as well. So only a handful number of times, as I was mentioning. So once for the first time since this fear and greed index came into existence was in February 2018, when it went as low as 8. Then in August it came below 10 as well, and here for a couple of days in 2020 during March 2020 crash, it went below 10 as well. But currently we are looking at 10 to be the next level of support, breaking below which can take us all the way down to about 7 or 8, which would be again a great buying opportunity. Remember, always you need to go against the herd. Whatever people are saying, Bitcoin is going to zero or Bitcoin is a scam, that is the best time to make money. As I have mentioned multiple number of times, bull market can make you some money, but it is in the bear market that we make a fortune. So stay tuned to our channels. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll keep you up to date from all the real-time happenings from the world of cryptocurrency. If you want us to cover any particular coin, do let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to analyze that for you. But for our premium members and for myself personally, I'm staying away from altcoins at this point of time. And for if I have to talk about any particular altcoin, then I'm looking at Ethereum below $1,000, and then probably we may accumulate it. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please share this video with your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to learn about Bitcoin and change their lives for good. If you want to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. If you want to become a premium member, you can contact me on my Telegram. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye for now.